How to invest in ESG. Learn the importance of ESG and how you can invest in it. Growing climate concerns and social injustice have more investors wondering about how to invest in environmental, social, and governance funds and stocks. The idea behind ESG investing is to make a difference with the dollars you invest by supporting companies that demonstrate policies congruent with improving the environment, positive social justice, and furthering sound governance. If you want to grow your wealth while creating a more just world, then you need to understand ESG in investing. Find out how to invest in ESG from opening a brokerage account to researching ESG investment. This article will cover a range of ESG investment and strategies so that you can align your money with your values. How to invest in ESG, how to incorporate ESG factors in investing is straightforward with accessible ESG screeners as well as funds dedicated to this investment approach. ESG investing is as easy as selecting a few screening parameters and searching through a database for the sustainable investment that fit your needs. Step required to invest in ESG. To begin your ESG investing journey, you shall need to choose an investment platform, typically an online brokerage account. After opening and funding the account, you shall visit the research section of the platform to screen for your ESG investment. Next, pick the assets that fit your criteria and proceed to buy shares in the stock, bond, or fund. Here how it works. Step 1, open an online brokerage account. Choose a brokerage account, review features, available assets and costs related to the investment platform, evaluate the stock and fund screeners in particular for their ESG criteria, check out trusted broker reviews, decide whether you prefer a taxable or retirement account. Begin the application process. The online process to open a brokerage account requires you to present your name, address, phone number, social security number, date of birth, driver license, and financial details. Fund your account. After creating the account, set up a funding. Step 3, research ESG investments. Next, decide among two ESG investing approaches with the self-directed investing route you screen for and select your preferred ESG investment. Or if you had like to outsource your ESG investing, you might consider a robo advisor that offers ESG investments. Robo advisors are low-fee investment managers that offer various core and strategy portfolio in line with your goals and risk tolerance levels. Self-directed ESG investing from your investing broker research tab. Access the screener for the type of assessed you are seeking. Select the criteria that you prefer and choose the minimum acceptable ESG score. Additional search criteria depend upon your investment needs. You might screen for a US or international ESG equity fund and a specific fee level. For stock, you might select market cap, industry, or other criteria.